Yo, what's up guys? I got a surprise for you guys. We got the Corbeaus finally here. Talon's over here. We did some good pulls at the track. Overall it did great. The goal was to get it down there, run it, log some stuff, and next time around we'll change it up. Put a little bit more boost in there. But we ran it at 15 pounds and it did amazing. Worked like it should, and I actually managed to drive it all the way back home. So it's doing great, man. Still riding good. Everything's looking good. No leaks, no broken parts, no broken axles. So yeah, we're gonna update the interior of the car. I've been wanting to do this for a while now, and I mean the seats are pretty decent shape, but the other one is let me show you. Oh yeah, let's get you a little back shot. There she is. So the driver's seat right here is pretty worn out. Foam is just, I mean, this is pretty much deteriorated, and I'm going to redo the entire interior. Going to get a new carpet. I've got a black trim piece in the middle right here, so all of this is going to come out, as well as the dash. I do have the black leather rear, so it's going to look really clean in here. But let me unbox this seats and we'll show them, see what it looks like. Alright, so I haven't even opened these yet, so let's see how it goes. Hopefully I don't rip into it. Alright. Shout out to Driven Speed Performance for getting these seats. These guys are new, local here in Rainbow City, and they're going to be doing a lot of high horsepower stuff, so check them out. Alright, let me get these seats out. Set you down here. Alright, there we go. Alright, here's the first one. Very nicely packaged. There we go, guys. Let's see what they look like under. Pretty nice packaging here. Oh man, these are already looking good. Let's get they're actually really lightweight. Check it out. Hold them up with one hand. Wow, look at these. Look at these seats, man. Full recline. Alright, check them out, guys. Let's put her in the sun. They're so light, actually. I can pick them up with one hand. Wow, these look amazing. A little bit of a packaging deformation, but overall they look great. Oh man, these feel amazing. I can't wait to put them on. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Next up is I'm going to be installing the seats, and I'm going to show you what they look like on the car. So alright guys, peace.